i-mop. Changing the world of cleaning. i-mop is the future way of building a full-sized, heavy-duty scrubber dryer with the agility of a flat mop. The secret of the i-mop is that we've taken apart a conventional scrubber dryer into its separate parts, which are traditionally aligned in a horizontal order, and we stack them on top of each other, so it is now in a vertical order. This creates the i-mop's unmatched footprint, delivering key points such as agility and ease of storage. And this is where the liberation of the cleaner starts. Driven by two powerful brush motors, the twin brush, counter-rotating at a speed of 350 RPM, supported by a brush pressure of 22.5 kilograms, does the magic of fast cleaning. All kinds of different brushes and pads are available to suit all the floors you need to clean. The high-performance squeegee directly attached to the brush deck, so you won't leave a drop while turning. Easy to take off, easy to clean. Two high-performance lithium-ion batteries managed by a sophisticated system to ensure maximum lifespan. Click the solution tank on and off to instantly adapt to different cleaning areas, color-coded to HACCP standards to make it easy. Click the recovery tank on and off with magnetic locks for a perfect fit. Two battery indicators show you the residual capacity level for each battery. Ease of use at your fingertips. The intuitive dial switch is where you can select your required cleaning program. The additional water-saving button reduces water consumption by 40%. Let's start the joy. Lower the brush deck, select a program, and off you go. With the i-mop, you don't work. You are dancing on the floor. Joy and liberation for your daily work. Effortlessly reaching all spaces such as corners, underneath the table, and even the edges are easily taken care of. A spill just happened? Solved in seconds. Ready and safe to walk over. With your mobile workstation, the island, your co-worker of the day. Done for the day? Store it safely away. iteam Global always strives for cleaner, safer, greener, faster, and better solutions for everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.